So I'm Allyson Johnson, and I've turned a hobby into a business, painting with oils. I've not painted since high school, which I enjoyed doing at that point, but about 5 or 6 years ago I started painting again, found myself at home, picked up a paintbrush again, and just as something to do, pass the time. It was just before COVID, and thoroughly enjoyed it, found it very therapeutic, nice and calming, relaxing. I've not been to art school or anything at all, so it's just really trial and error and learning as I go, learning techniques. Over time, just the more I do, the more I'm learning, a bit more patience at trying different techniques, and really just practice. I like to use oils because I like to use a palette knife, and I like the texture of oils and how versatile they are. I've tried acrylics, tried watercolours, and they're just not for me, too difficult. I paint a whole range of subjects, so I've not nailed myself down to any specific style, or everything from seascapes to dogs to abstract to whatever I feel like, whatever I'm asked to do. I don't know that I've got a style yet. I think I'm still trying to find that. I just love water and big skies and seascapes. I do enjoy doing a lot of dog portraits. I do seem to do them regularly, and I really enjoy them. I love trying to capture the character of a dog, and it's all in the eyes. So I like the challenge of that. I don't consider myself a particularly good drawer, sketcher. I prefer just to go straight in with the paint, and forgiving in that way, that they can paint over, just correct your mistakes as you're going, and just muddle through. I don't remember the first thing I sold, but yeah, it's a great feeling. And it's just validation that somebody likes your work. It just feels good. I've been doing open houses, hosted about 3 open houses now, just inviting people into my home to view and buy my work that way. But I need to just get myself out there and promote my business, promote my work, and try and display it somewhere that reach more awareness. So I've been doing market stalls recently as well, which I've really been enjoying, and selling a few bits and pieces that way. But it's really raising awareness of what I'm doing. So I'm on Instagram, Facebook, I've got a website, and it's all under Allyson Johnson Art.